If you're new to the whys and hows of project-level equity cash flow modeling, discounting, and net present value, or NPV, you're well covered in Unit 3. To smooth your way before you reach Unit 5's rather windy detailed 35-year multi-case project model, here we ease you into things. We use scaled-down mini-models here, which focus in a compact space just on key generic project economic concepts and formulas, with some features and analysis sections to help make clear not only how project value can depend on things like what's known as a discount rate, but also things like project timing, which is a key assumption as projects in offshore wind, like other complex capital-intensive endeavors, are prone to delays. These can punch NPV right in the nose. To feed this analysis, we calculate NPV from first principles, rather than using Excel's single-cell NPV function. The journey is only slightly longer, but the detailed lens it gives us on the dynamics and components of economic value creation, or destruction if the project's a dog, is easily worth it. This approach will also help you, should you ever need it, to explain from first principles and easy math why sometimes NPV acts counterintuitively. We also spend some time on the intuition behind just what we mean when we say we are discounting, something which is often done but not always fully understood. With some help from good Excel habits like clear signposting, using one formula per row, and human-readable named cells and ranges, we walk you through every row of code, using short formulas which resemble English, and break calculations down into small, intelligible steps. Again, we assume only basic Excel proficiency. If you understand how dollar signs are used when copying formulas, we'll show you the rest. In a second mini-model, we cover some more bread-and-butter items, namely basic notional income taxation, including tax depreciation. Again, we assume you've never done this. For experienced modelers, we use a perhaps more streamlined modeling of a common fiscal item called a tax loss carryforward than you might have seen. Tax is not the most interesting link in the project cash flow calculation chain, but a link it is, so we can at least try to cover these foundational calculations in a clear and tidy way. At all events, with all these staple generic concepts and coding techniques taken care of, you'll finish Unit 3 in good shape for Unit 5, where the model inputs become properly windy, which is what you signed up for.